guess what? It's tax time. Woo, 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 woo. One of my favorite times of the year. I wanted to come on to give some important news and updates as tax season has officially begun and we're in the full swing of things. The official date was January 29th that the IRS began accepting tax returns. Some of you may have already filed, or some of you may be getting ready and preparing to file. You can expect to receive your refund this year in 21 days or less. For those that are expecting to receive the additional child tax credit or the earned income tax credit, expect to experience some delays in the processing of your return as the IRS is required by law to hold those returns until mid-February. Refunds for those returns will not be released until February 27th. Deadlines for this year are a little different. For individuals, the deadline is April 17th. Now, that's 2 days extra, it seems, from the original April 15th deadline. However, it's not the case. Tax season is actually shorter since we started 1 week later than usual. And so the deadline may seem like it's a little longer, but it's not the case. So you definitely want to be mindful of that. The deadline for corporations is also April 17th. For partnerships and S-corps, the deadline is March 15th. For tax-exempt organizations and nonprofits, the deadline is May 15th. So if you may be feeling a little overwhelmed and you have to get your books and records in order and may not meet that deadline, there is hope. You can actually file for an extension of time to file. The IRS will give you an automatic 6-month extension for individuals, for corporations, S-corps, and partnerships, and a 3-month extension for tax-exempt organizations and nonprofits. In order to get approved for that extension, there are certain forms that you must fill out. For individuals, you will want to fill out the Form 4868. For corporations, S-corps, and partnerships, the form to complete is Form 7004. And for tax-exempt organizations and nonprofits, the form is 8868. If you have an amount due for this year, it's so important that you pay that amount, even if submitting for an extension. An extension will give you additional time to file your return, but it is not additional time to pay any tax liability that you may have. So get with your tax professional, a CPA, and making sure that you figure out your tax liability and submit any payments due with your extension. So are you ready to file? If not, we'd be glad to assist you in getting everything in order that you need to make filing this year as easy as possible. If you have any questions about any of the information shared or just about taxes in general, feel free to reach out to us. I'll have my contact information below this video. You can also check out our website at www.trinitytaxsolutions.com for more information about our company and about taxes, and stay connected with us for more updates. Well, that's all for now. Please subscribe to this channel. Happy tax season.